your volume knob over here, and then your tune knob. Big knobs on for these controls here. Very clear and easy to read, and pretty user-friendly, very ergonomically correct. Over here we have your optical disc drive with your CD player as well. Now let's get to one of the biggest changes for the 2016 model year for the F-150. It's the new Ford Sync 3 system, one of the best infotainment systems in the business. It's very user-friendly, it's very responsive. This is your home screen right here. This shows you what radio station is playing and then what song is playing, and then you can hook up your Bluetooth device, and then you have your integrated compass right there. And then you have your digital clock up here, and then you have your Wi-Fi hotspot. Coming to your different audio sources, this includes all of the norm: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, your CD player with your optical disc drive, your Bluetooth streaming audio, USB port with iPod integration, and your auxiliary input. But as you can see, the responsiveness of this touchscreen is just really fast. It's lightning quick. You can hook up your Bluetooth phone from here, have all of your contacts stored on here, of course. You can also download apps such as Pandora and all that good stuff. And then what's pretty cool is that the Sync 3 system works like a tablet, which is pretty cool. And it